Question 1. Which of the following shows the correct oxidation state of copper in the following compounds? Okay, so you are given 3 compounds here, but before we even calculate the oxidation state of copper, there are a few rules which you need to know before you calculate the oxidation states. Alright, so the first rule is that the oxidation state of oxygen in most compounds, it is usually, generally, -2, -2. And the second rule is that the sum of oxidation states, it is equal to the charge, the overall charge of the ion or compound. Alright, so these are the 2 rules that you need to remember and apply when you are calculating the oxidation state of copper. So for the first compound, cuprite, with the formula of Cu2O, first of all, you let the oxidation state of copper, alright, oxidation state, I will just abbreviate it as OS, oxidation state of copper, Bx. Okay, so we are going to use algebra to help us solve the oxidation state of copper. So since the formula is Cu2O, there are 2 copper ions, right? So 2x plus the oxidation state of oxygen. We have already established just now that in most compounds, the oxidation state of oxygen is -2. So 2x minus 2, it is equal to the overall charge of the compound. Compounds, they are neutral, so the overall charge is 0. So you just have to solve for x. So 2x plus 2, 2x is equals to plus 2. Therefore, x, the oxidation state of copper in cuprite, is actually plus 2 divided by 2 plus 1. So this means that you can eliminate option D from the possible answers. And then you repeat the same for the other 2 compounds. So let's do for tannerite next. Okay, so the formula is CuO, 1 copper, right? So X plus oxidation state of oxygen in most compounds is -2. So X plus -2 equals to 0. Therefore, X is plus 2. So this means that I can eliminate option A. Alright, so we are left with either B and C. And for the last compound, with a quite complicated formula, Cu2Cl and 3 hydroxide ions. Okay, so how do you approach this question? Same thing, let the oxidation state of copper be X. So Cu2, 2X plus. Now this is a chloride ion. So chloride ion, students must know that the formula is Cl minus, correct? So the oxidation state of this chlorine element in this compound follows the charge of the ion, which is -1. 2x plus -1, and the third substance that is present in this compound is actually your hydroxide ion with the formula of OH minus. So the charge of hydroxide is 1 minus. And how many hydroxide ions do I have? I have 3. So 3 times -1. Okay, and what is the overall charge of the compound? The overall charge of the compounds are neutral, so it is 0. Alright, so you just have to solve for x. So 2x plus means negative becomes -1, plus 3 times -1 becomes -3 equals to 0. So 2x is equals to plus 4. Hence, when you divide it by 2, plus 4 divided by 2, you will get plus 2. So this means that the answer for question 1 is option B.